Are you tired of using the same old productivity apps with minimal improvements? Well, get ready to have your mind blown because Google Workspace has announced a groundbreaking update. They are bringing in AI as a collaborative partner to help you create, connect, and collaborate like never before. With this update, you'll notice Google's generative AI capabilities in apps like Google Docs and Gmail. You can ask the AI assistant to help you write job descriptions, resumes, cover letters, invitations, itineraries, video scripts, product descriptions, web copies, articles, essays, and more. Not only that, but you can also use it to brainstorm ideas, proofread text, rewrite certain parts that need revision, and even prepare a full project brief based on an email conversation. And the benefits don't stop there. In Gmail, you can ask the assistant to create a conversation summary of your email thread, highlighting the critical things said by each coworker. You can also use it to write email drafts, elaborate or shorten them, convert them into bulleted lists, or change the tonality to sound more formal or informal. But of course, AI has its limitations. You will still need to manually edit and personalize the results you get from the AI assistant so they are best suited for your specific goals and preferences. The AI assistant is only meant to help people get started writing and create first drafts, not finished pieces of content. So get ready to revolutionize your productivity with Google Workspace's new AI assistant. But before you start asking it to do everything under the sun, remember to be mindful of AI's limitations and what you shouldn't ask AI chatbots in the first place. We hope you found this information useful and informative. Let us know in the comments below how you plan to use this new feature to boost your productivity. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Thanks for watching.